we're going to have a calamity in economics and political crisis. The economy worldwide, certainly in the States, I think is a lot weaker than they tell us. I believe that the unemployment rate in the United States is over 20%. Actually, I think there's still some inflation with the dollar. Of course, the inflation could be defined as the increased supply of money and credit, and everybody knows that they're printing $85 billion a month, and that could be considered inflation. But even if you had relatively stable prices, you still have inflation, and that's distortion. You have malinvestment, so you still have the built-in problems, and we have plenty. I would expect that there's going to be a lot more chaos yet to come, and it will not be limited to Europe. I think it'll be a worldwide phenomenon. The states won't escape it either, because this is so many gross distortions throughout the world because we disobeyed, economic law. And you can't do that no matter what Bernanke tells you.
The present head of the central bank does not understand economics. He does not understand finance. He does not understand currencies. All he understands is printing money. His whole intellectual career has been devoted to the study of printing money. And as you know, we've given him the printing presses. And he has said, I will run the printing presses as fast as I have to. The man knows nothing else. In fact, I think I saw Ron questioning him on TV once.
I asked him a simple little question, whether gold was money. And he says, no, it wasn't money.
I said, wait a minute. Did he really say, does he really think that? I was looking to see if he was lying or if he was just a fool. Well, he was under oath, so we presume he wasn't lying, at least knowingly.
You can't rule out economic laws and what money is all about that easily.
What happens next? So they've already been robbing people's purchasing power. Now they just said, you know what, we're going to skip the subtlety and we're going to go straight to direct confiscation.
I suspect that it won't happen that way in the U.S. They won't take our bank accounts. They will take our retirement accounts. They will take our 401ks. They will say, you've all been having such hard times earning money in your 401k, so what we're going to do is we're going to save you. We're going to give you government bonds, which are guaranteed, 30-year government bonds, and you will get 3%, and you give us your retirement assets.
Putting retirement accounts, putting IRAs in bonds?
I don't doubt it for a minute. They'll do what they think is necessary, and they'll use force, and they'll use intimidation, and they'll use guns, because you can't challenge the state. You can't challenge the state's so-called right to control the money. I don't doubt for a minute that they're quite capable, the people I know in Washington, of saying, well, you got to save the country, you can buy treasury bills from now on. So, no, I think that's very possible at that time when things get a lot rockier than they are now.